What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today we have 3 new Milwaukee tools to share with you hot off the presses. 1 we've seen before, 2 we have not seen before. This is going to be a mighty productive day. But first, Milwaukee has released what some might call a welder on the MX FUEL platform. It's actually got a pretty crazy name. It's like Mr. Fusion from Back to the Future.
Great Scott!
It's literally called the Electrofusion Processor, which is pretty cool. What's up, Long Beach, California? Before we get started in here, I want to say hello to everybody. Matt Bryan's here first. Cody Hernandez says, hey. We got Go Tool Review says, yow. Education. What's up? He says, yo, education. I'm going to give you all the info right now. You ready for it? It says, reinforcing their commitment to innovation in the trades, Milwaukee Tool introduces the new MX FUEL Electrofusion Processor, a cordless solution uniquely designed for gas utility. Leveraging the advanced technology of the MX FUEL system, this electrofusion processor addresses key frustrations in the fusion process by eliminating the need for generators and extension cords. Weighing up to 40% lighter than competitive alternatives, this solution offers faster setup and greater mobility on the job site. By simplifying the fusion process, Milwaukee's new solution allows users to work more efficiently and with greater confidence. A compact footprint and balanced one-handed top handle design make it easier for crews to transport the unit from the truck to the trench and navigate tight or uneven job site conditions. This solution enables users to move more efficiently across the site, reducing fatigue and maximizing productivity throughout the day. Powered by Milwaukee's MX FUEL system and designed with last fuse technology to overcome common concerns with cordless equipment, this solution delivers consistent performance and runtime, even in demanding conditions. With field-replaceable 15-foot leads and a wireless barcode scanner, users gain the flexibility to adapt to any trench layout, all while working confidently without the noise, emissions, or limitations. The MX FUEL Electrofusion Processor simplifies data capture and reporting with features designed for real-world gas utility workflows. A wireless barcode scanner ensures accurate input, while onboard fusion history and one-key wireless download make it easy to access and share fusion records. Customizable reporting capabilities allow foremen and superintendents to monitor job progress remotely and ensure compliance with project specifications. So what you're getting is the MX FUEL Electrofusion Processor. It's product number MX F545-XC. The kit includes the Mr. Fusion processor, the Electrofusion leads, a 15-footer, the barcode scanner, 2 fusion tip sets, the MX FUEL Red Lithium Forge 8.0 battery pack, and 1 MX FUEL rapid charger. Mr. Fusion has a price of $7,499.00. Before we move on to the number 2 offering, I want to say hello to a couple other people. William Poland says, how's it going? We got EV1641. We got Fort Myers in the stream. What's up, Fort Myers? Jimmy Hags, Delaware's in the house. Make What Mike says, innovative. Job site Johnny's tuning in from the job site. Let's move on to the number 2 tool on today's list and announcement. It's Milwaukee's lighting. So it's the Milwaukee M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight with PACKOUT compatibility. Bare tools. It says Milwaukee Tool expands their lineup of job site lighting solutions with the launch of the M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight with PACKOUT compatibility. Designed to deliver high-output adjustable lighting for commercial MEP professionals. Built to adapt, perform, and survive in the toughest conditions, this M12 floodlight brings cordless convenience and unmatched versatility to users. Delivering up to 1,200 lumens of true view high-definition output, the M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight provides bright, consistent illumination for a wide range of jobs. Designed to adapt on the job, this light features 3 output modes and an adjustable light head with up to 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees vertical and horizontal mobility. Users can manage brightness and runtime based on the application, achieving up to 4 hours of high output runtime with an M12 XC 4.0 battery. Engineered for maximum versatility, this new light features a variety of multi-material mounting options with an integrated magnet, hang hook, and PACKOUT compatibility to offer flexible setup and secure job site transport. This light features PACKOUT twist-to-lock connectivity and includes a PACKOUT twist-to-lock mount, providing users additional mounting capabilities. For added convenience, a built-in USB Type-C output adds charging for small devices on the job. Built to withstand harsh job site conditions, the M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight is IP54 rated for dust and water resistance and is impact resistant for added durability. Backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a limited lifetime LED warranty, this solution is designed to stand up to daily use in demanding environments. The lumen output on high is 1200 lumens. Medium is 600, low is 300. Runtime on high is 4 hours. Medium it's 8 hours, low is 16 hours. It's product number 2350-20 is $99. It is bare tool only. You get one M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight with PACKOUT compatibility and one PACKOUT twist-to-lock mount. And I think you could buy as many twist-to-lock mounts as you like. Those are product number 2350-20. Mark says, more lights from Milwaukee again? Don't they have like 20, 30 different lights already? They do, and they have multiple lights on all the platforms, whether it be even MX Fuel. They have tower lights on MX Fuel, multiple there. M18, they have a ton. M12, they have a ton. And actually, the USB lighting, they have a ton. They have a ton of lights. Whatever flavor you want, they have. The M12 ROVER multi-directional floodlight with PACKOUT compatibility will be available this August 2025. Has a price of $99. Jeff Massey. What's up, Jeffrey Massey? He says, I'll take two, cuz. It's good to see you, Jeff. Hope everything's going well. Let's move on to the PACKOUT rack system. Milwaukee continues to transform job site organization and productivity with the introduction of their new PACKOUT Rack Kit, designed to eliminate common job site frustrations such as disorganization, wasted space, and tool movement during transit. This solution offers a smarter, more secure way to access and store tools and materials. For use in vans, Connex boxes, enclosed trailers, and shop walls, the PACKOUT Rack Kit allows professionals to take control of their storage, whether on the job site, in the shop, or in transit. With fully customizable drawer layout, users can adjust the height of each drawer to connect any PACKOUT components directly onto the drawers. Scalability is another key advantage of the PACKOUT Rack Kit. This solution can be stacked up to 3 racks high and expanded across the walls, making it easy to grow alongside evolving job site demands. The rack features adjustable leg heights to fit above wheel wells and accommodate rolling toolboxes. For added convenience, 2 compact mounting plates can be fastened to the sides of the rack, offering additional storage for frequently used tools and accessories. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the PACKOUT Rack Kit features a durable steel body and a 50-pound drawer capacity in transit. The product number for the PACKOUT Rack Kit is 48-21-8070, and it's got a 3-year limited warranty. This is the system, the racking kit. It's $2,000. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers with that. I guess these legs in the leg system is adjustable. You're able to pre-order right now, so get in line. Use the YouTube shopping button if you're looking to outfit your system. They're saying up to 90 extra calls per year if you use the racking system. Save up to 15 minutes per call. It's faster restocks and van switch outs. Those are bold numbers. Now, you're able to buy some of these components separately. You could see it's $500 for just the rack frame. The 2 shelves in this additional rack, $749.99 rack out. The rack out kit is product number 48-21-8070. That's $1,999. It's got a 3-year limited warranty. It is made of steel. It's got the lower rack, the upper rack. It's got four rack drawers, and it's got the rack frame. Now, some of you have said that it's crazy to like have PACKOUT than to have to actually organize PACKOUT in another system. A lot of you said that Milwaukee was bonkers with their pricing. I'm trying to get the conversation started on what you actually think. Put it down in the comment section. Mark says, yeah, it's a little pricey. A lot of you have said that, why, if I'm a carpenter, why would I be buying this pre-built racking system? Why wouldn't I just be building my own? And I can't disagree with some of you that are saying that. But sometimes some of you that need to, contractors that are outfitting multiple vans, you're saying like, I don't have the time to do that. I need something that's more pre-built and I could just install. And to that, I say, yeah, that makes sense too. Blake says the rack system is a good idea, but won't all of your heavy gear loaded to one side of the vehicle be an issue? That's a very valid question, actually. Yes, if you have a service van and nothing else is going on the right side of the van, let's say it was all of your shelving was on the left side of the van, I can see what you're saying, but heavy material is probably going on the right side of the van. Plus, you're definitely going to want to put this in a heavy-duty van, 2500 or 250. Something that's able to handle it. So there's multiple sides to the story here. King Yang says, of course it's going to be cheaper to build one yourself. That goes without saying. As with all job and calls, pick two: affordable, quick, quality. Yo, you're a beast, cuz it's the trifecta of what we can offer as tradespeople. I love it. Jeff Massey says that kind of system is probably $5,000 plus. I can't disagree. I think that this system, as it's shown here, is more than $5,000. I would say you're at let's just say you're at $2,000, $4,000. You're at like maybe $10,000 or more for the system that's in this van. King Yang says, my van, $10K. My future PACKOUT rack, $15K. LOL. It's not fair for sure. It's just Milwaukee. They like high pricing because they're popular and red. Denny K says, I agree. Jeff Moreland says Ford's battery prices went up $50 overnight. Well, I let you know on Saturday night's video and last week's video, there was an initial bump for Milwaukee products. Come this August 8th, there will be another bump across the board for Milwaukee Tool. So if you were planning on making a purchase, I'm not fear-mongering, I'm just telling you the information I was giving. Prices for Milwaukee Tool will be going up. Computer John says, I agree, $500 for brackets? They must think we're stupid. I think that they're probably just incentivizing buying it in kits. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but it is what it is. Zachary says the racking system is insane priced, but so is the majority of van racking. Because it's like the tradesperson toll. You know what I mean? It's the tradesperson tax. Because we're earning a living using these tools, using that racking system, they charge a premium. Maybe you are better off just building your own. I don't know. But professionals are going to say that they don't have the time. Chakil says Ryobi has a place. That place is the trash can. All right, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.